This is a prayer that a gopi or a devotee is singing. The movements are quite basic. There isn't much of abstract movements there because they want to make it shabdarth, meaning the meaning of the shabd, which you have the way you have learned many such compositions. The first movement is with the hands up there and it's somebody is doing the bhajan. Bhaje, braje. Braje is the braj. Kamandanam is the entire village. Kamandanam. Can you try that? So bhaje, braje, braje, you can show the braj, and kamandanam is the hands going all the way up and giving you that feeling. Samasta papa khandanam. Also in that section you can actually go and show everyone. Samasta, papa, something that is not right, something that is almost evil. And he is the one who is going to save us. He is going to give us solace. Samasta papa khandanam. Please come and save us. Swabhakta chitta, the person who is devoted. So swabhakta chitta. Chitta is someone who's the inner you. Swabhakta chitta ranjanam. You come and live in my heart. Sadev, always the son of Nanda. Nanda's son. And how is Nanda actually putting his child to sleep? Sadeva Nanda Nandanam. Supikcha Gupcha Mastakam. He has a peacock feather on his head. Supikcha Gupcha Mastakam. Sunada Venu Hastakam. He's holding the flute in his hand. And the music is so intoxicating that it fills the inner souls of people. Supikcha Gupcha Mastakam. Sunada Venu Hastakam. Anangarang, many colors, Anangarang, the colors, Anangarang, Sagaram, showing the waves of the sea, Sagaram, Namami, you surrender, Krishna Nagaram, one way, and then to show the devotee, Nagaram, O Krishna, come and reside in our hearts. So let's explore this bhajan.